Good morning, dear students. The classes have to move to the online method because of Corona. Stay safe at home by wearing mask and keeping social distance. Now let us move to chapter 5, After My Bath. Here the poet explains what he does after his bath. Let's see. After my bath, I try to wipe myself till I am dry. Look at the picture. There the poet stands with a towel after his bath and trying to wipe himself till he gets dried. Now let's go through the words. After my bath, I try to wipe myself till I am dry. Dear students, don't forget to write and study the spelling. Now let us sing the poem. After my bath, I try to wipe myself till I am dry. Now let us go to the next stanza. Here the poet explains what are the things he has to wipe. The poet has to wipe his hands, fingers, toes, 2 legs, and a shiny nose. Now let us read the words. Hands to wipe, and fingers and toes, and 2 wet legs, and a shiny nose. Here we study some of the names of the body parts, that are hands, fingers, toes, legs, and nose. Don't forget to study the spelling of these words. Now let us sing the poem. Hands to wipe, and fingers and toes, and 2 wet legs, and a shiny nose. In the last stanza of the poem, the poet is explaining by using towel, it will take long time to wipe. But if he was a dog, he could shake himself and get dried very easier. Now let us read the poem. Just think how much less time I would take if I were a dog and could shake. Here we study. After the bath, the dog shake its body and we wipe our body. Now let us sing the poem. Just think how much less time I would take if I were a dog and could shake. We have learned this poem earlier from our class, and don't forget the actions which I have taught you. Now let us take page number 17 in your textbook. Here we can see some of the questions, and you try to answer these questions, and the correct answer will be given tomorrow. Now let us read and understand the questions. First one. What does the poet have to do after a bath? The second question. Why does the poet want to be like a dog? Third question. Find words from the poem that rhyme with these words. Write them below. Here you can see 3 words that are try, toss, and take. Now look at the fourth question. Circle what you do after a bath. In that box, we can see some of the act you do. Wear clothes, have breakfast, brush teeth, clip toenails, comb hair, read a book, go to sleep. Here you have to circle what you do after your bath. Now let us see the fifth question. Circle what a dog does after a bath. In that box, you can see some of the act the dog does. Have food, shake, roll in mud, go to sleep. Here you have to circle the correct answer. What the dog does after a bath. Now we move to the English second, the grammar part. Exercise number D, page number 51. Write the names of the following helpers in the space given below. Choose the correct word from the help box. Look at the first picture. We can see a carpenter. Second picture, we can see a barber who is cutting hair. The third picture, we can see a gardener who is cutting plants. In the fourth picture, we can see a plumber who is repairing pipe. The fifth picture, we can see a doctor. And sixth picture, we see a tailor who is stitching the clothes. Seventh picture, we can see a washerman who is washing the clothes. The eighth picture, we see a mason who is constructing. Now let us try to write the correct words to the proper columns. The first answer is carpenter. C-A-R-P-E-N-T-E-R. He is the person who makes the furnitures like table, chair, etc. The second answer is barber. B-A-R-B-E-R. Barber. Barber is the person who cuts hair. Third answer is gardener. G-A-R-D-E-N-E-R. Gardener. He is the person who arranges the garden. Fourth answer is plumber. P-L-U-M-B-E-R. Plumber. Plumber is the person who repairs the pipe. Fifth answer is doctor. Doctor is the person who treats the patient. Sixth answer is tailor. T-A-I-L-O-R. Tailor is the person who stitches clothes. Seventh answer is washerman. W-A-S-H-E-R-M-A-N. He is the person who washes the clothes. Eighth answer is mason, and he does construction. Now let us go to the worksheet. Now take page number 6 on your worksheet. Worksheet 5. A. Complete the poem. Here you have to look the first stanza of the poem and write down by looking the poem. B. Tick the things which you find in your bathroom. Here you can see soap, towel, specs, bag, brush, book, bucket, dress and hair oil. Tick the things which you have seen in your bathroom. Next, C. Write words from the poem that rhyme with these words. Try, toss, take. Here I have given the correct answers of the worksheet, and check these with your answers in your worksheet.